Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Cecelia. In today's video, we'll be making broccoli healthy swallow. Yeah, so today's video, we'll be making healthy broccoli swallow. For people that love to eat swallow and you don't want to gain too much weight, you want to stay healthy, you want to stay fit, we will be using this psyllium husk and this broccoli vegetable to make healthy comfy swallow. So to start with, I got the broccoli, I got the psyllium husk. You can actually use different types of psyllium husk, and we all know that psyllium husk, it has a lot of fibers in it. So the first thing you want to do is to wash the broccoli and to cut the broccoli into smaller chunks, which is what we're doing here. And actually this broccoli, it was a lot, so we end up blending the broccoli 2 times, so nothing is wasted. You can cut the stem, add it to the to your blender to blend, and that was exactly what we're doing here. So the first thing we did was to try to cut all the broccoli into smaller chunks before we start blending. And this healthy broccoli swallow, it has a lot of nutrients in it. It can help you to reduce cholesterol. It can help you to keep fit. It can help you to lose weight. It can help you to have all your minerals on point, even all your vitamins on point. And this is another healthy way for you to stay healthy. So we added water. You can actually add a little bit of water because you don't want it to be too watery, because we'll end up sieving using the cheesecloth to get rid of the water and the broccoli hard part. So this is what we did. We blended it. You don't want to blend it too much, and this is ready. So we'll pour this into the cheesecloth and we will be sieving this here. So this is what we're doing here, trying to squeeze out the water from the broccoli here. So try to squeeze it out as much as possible to get rid of the water. And now we have the first set done. This was the broccoli part that we could get from the first set. So what we did was we end up blending the second set. So we added the cut broccoli into the blender, then we used the broccoli juice from the first one. Yes, that's what we used to blend the second set, and this was ready. And now we have everything, and we put it in the pot, take it on the stove, and we use the broccoli juice to taking this broccoli swallow. And we added a psyllium husk. Don't mind me, I got the orange one. You can actually get any types of psyllium husk. The main point is to get something to bind the broccoli together. So this one that I got the orange one. That's where the color came from. Again, you can get any plain psyllium husk, which has a lot of fiber in it that can help your bowels movement. It can help you to even go to the restroom, to debloat, to get rid of bloating stomach and all that. So you want to do this on slow and medium heat because you don't want to denature the broccoli. And this is what we did. We added a little bit more of psyllium husk just to bind this. We added that, and this is ready. Yeah, you see how these are sticking, and now it is together. Everything come together as a bolus. So this is what we want. So this is ready, and we put it in the wrapper, plastic wrap, and now this is ready. This is how to do your broccoli swallow, and you can eat this with vegetable, and you're getting your nutrient, vitamins, and balanced diet. This is good for people with high blood pressure. Try this out at home and let me know what you think. Will you try this? Let me know what you think. Until next time when I come your way, it's still your girl Cecelia, and I love you all. Bye for now. Thank you.